XrsBeauty Hair, your natural hair.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing another review for Xrsbeauty Hair. Listen, if their wigs weren't up to par, then we wouldn't be here again. So this is their undetectable skin melt 13x6 lace frontal tight curly wig. The density is 200%, which means she is super thick, and the length is 18 inches. The lace has already been pre-plucked, pre-bleached. All you need to do is add a little foundation to it to make it match your skin tone, or whatever you do to tint the lace, do that. There ain't a lot that you have to do with this. Oh, and wash it. Always wash your wigs before you wear them, y'all. Please and thank you. So as y'all can see, she's already melted, and I don't want to say melted, but like lace wear, she done disappeared. But like they said, it's undetectable, and as y'all can see, it's true. So I'm using the worst glue in the world, still the Bold Hold Active. So on the left is their undetectable lace, and on the right is the regular schmegula lace. So I'm really loving what I'm seeing. I don't know about y'all, but I love what I'm seeing. So as for the lace itself, like the sizing and all, it was a little too big for me. So when you do go on the website, try to make sure that your measurements are accurate, because then you're gonna have to do a little bit of extra work to make that lace really fit. As for the curl, like the curl pattern, like tight curly hair, some people think, you know, it's totally unnecessary to like slick down the edges, but y'all need to stop telling people what they should and shouldn't do with their hair. Even though I feel like, yeah, if you do have like super kinky hair and you do like the really loose baby hairs with the big ass curls going all the way down to your eyebrows, I don't think that looks good, but a little bit of layage and slayage is okay, just a little bit. But the snake tail, the caterpillar, no, just a little bit. That's my take.
I need you here, I'm feeling out of place. My heart is yours, I'm giving it to you. No matter what, I always will be true. Next time you're here, I'll never let you go. You're everything I ever need and more. So let's flesh attend to flesh, come alive. The earth is crying sweet. Take whatever that you want, you are free. The moonlight's whispering. Flesh and flesh. Take whatever that you want. Flesh and flesh.
So for for the hair itself, you really need to go through the whole thing. So like when you comb it out, don't just focus only on one side. Try to make sure you go through the whole thing, because bitch, when I went out, I was feeling myself, and then when I came home, there was like a big clump of tight curls in the back and a whole afro on the top. I felt so bad because like it was so obvious. I don't have eyes in the back of my head, so I didn't know and I couldn't see it. So this is what she's looking like when she's all combed out. It's a little heavy, I'm not gonna lie. So I do recommend y'all go with a density that's a little lower, maybe 150%, because 200% is way too much. And if you're not used to having a lot of hair, then it's gonna feel like a lot, and it's just up to your preference. Like if you want a lot and you want that weight, then sure, go ahead with 200, but I feel like 150 is perfect. And this is what she's looking like when she's wet. I also went through it with a paddle brush. Don't use a comb because you won't get like those defined curls with a comb. So try to get you a paddle brush. You don't have to get, you know, expensive paddle brush. A dollar brush is fine. Like, it's totally fine. So that's everything for this video. Everything you need to know about this wig will be in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.